we'll guide you through how to transfer files on Google Drive. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, you'll see a list of all your files and folders. Find the file or folder you want to transfer. You can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it if you have a lot of files. Once you've found the file, right-click on it. A menu will appear with several options. Click on Share to open the sharing settings. In the sharing settings window, you can enter the email address of the person you want to transfer the file to. If you want to give them ownership, click on the drop-down next to their name once you've added them. Select Transfer Ownership. This will make them the owner of the file. If you're just looking to share the file without transferring ownership, you can skip this part and simply set their permissions to Editor, Commenter, or Viewer by selecting the appropriate option from the drop-down menu. Once you've set the permissions, click Send. The person will receive an email notification about the shared file, and if you transferred ownership, they'll have complete control over it. If you want to move the file to another folder within your Google Drive, simply drag and drop the file into the destination folder in the left-hand sidebar. You can also right-click on the file, select Move To, and choose the folder you want from the list. Click Move here to confirm. If you're transferring files to another Google Drive account, make sure you're logged into that account and follow the same sharing steps to access the file. This process makes it easy to manage and organize your files between different accounts and users. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.